And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up.
Hey everyone, it's Kiwi. Welcome back to my channel, Just Kiwi. In today's video, I will show you how to make the best crispy fried chicken. Starting off, you want to fill up your pot with just enough oil and let that heat up on a low temperature. Then season your chicken to your liking. I already washed and rinsed mine. Then you want to give that a good mix. Next, get a large bowl and add 3 cups of flour. Then season your flour with the same seasonings you used on your chicken. And to make the chicken crispy, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the flour, then mix well. Now in a medium bowl, crack 3 eggs. Then season that a little bit. Then add your milk and stir until it's pale yellow and light in consistency. Then put your chicken in the egg and milk mixture and roll it around a little bit. Then add it to the flour mixture and with your other hand, flour it well. Test your oil to make sure it's hot. If the flour does that in the oil, it's ready. If not, then it's not ready. Then grab your piece of chicken and lay it gently in the oil and repeat the process. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pot because it will bring down the oil temperature. I added 4 pieces and it was perfect. While it's cooking, flip constantly so it will be an even color. It usually takes 15 minutes for it to be fully cooked. Once the 15 minutes is up and your chicken is golden brown, take it out and put it on a rack or paper towels. Make sure you check the temperature of your chicken. If you don't have a thermometer, poke a hole in it, then press it. If the juice comes out clear, it's fully cooked. If it comes out any other color, make sure you put that back and let it cook. This is the final product. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.